Hello, good morning, and Assalamu alaikum to all of my grade 3 students. I'm your teacher, Sana Kausar, over here again with the lecture number 19. Yes, the topic is multiplication. This is not a new topic for all of you. We have already covered it in the previous lectures, but today we are going to learn the next step of the multiplication. So let's see what I have for all of you. Hello kids. Okay, again hello. So let's see what character I chose for all of you today, and I'm sure all of you really like it because this is one of the most famous characters in the animated movies. So let's see. Yes, Frozen. Today, Frozen characters are going to help you out during this lecture, and you will see their funny images. So I hope so that you all will enjoy it. So what I want from all of you that be active, be strong, be independent, and behave like a super smart kids by helping each other. But one thing I demand from my all students that don't take help from others and your mothers and other people's, especially when you're doing maths practice. Be independent. So I want you all to do your work by yourself. Don't take help from anyone. Just start the lecture and then solve the questions with me. Okay, be independent. Task of the day is multiplication, and workbook page number 79 till 81. See, you can see that how many pages I selected for you all today. Only 3 pages. So I just hope so that you will understand the concept very well. Yes, over here, Olaf is here to just say hi to all of you that let's start our new topic, multiplication. But before going to start multiplication, let's just have a quick revision of the topic that what is multiplication. Do you remember that what is multiplication? Anyone? It is a repeated addition. Yes, multiplication means you when you're going to add the same numbers and again. So it's better to what's the method we use? We use multiplication method. And yes, Olaf is here to give you an example. And I'm sure that my smart kids can easily solve those examples. Can you? Okay, let's see. For example, you know that how to multiply 5 with 9. What will be our answer? Let me get my pen, and meanwhile you guys just understand that I don't know, you guys just tell me that what will be the answer. 5 nines are can you tell me quickly? Yes, 5 nines are 45. Quickly, I know that most of my students have learned the tables, but still we have a few bunch of students who are not paying attention toward this, that how much tables are important. So multiplication and division is not possible without tables. So again and again, I'm just telling you one thing, that revise table. Okay, what will be our answer? 7 8s are. Do you remember the 7 times table trick? Yes, 56. Do you remember those 4 words which I told you to learn in a sequence? What were they? 42, 49, 56, 63. So yes, 7 8s are 56. See, that trick really helped you a lot. Topic of the day is, yes, now Olaf is also waiting to for me that when I'm going to start my topic of the day, and that is multiplication without regrouping. Okay, what is the procedure of it? You will solve this question step by step. As you can see that step number 1 and step number 2 is written over here. So in the step number 1, you will always multiply the digit first with the ones place digit. And in the step number 2, you will multiply the digit with the tens place digit. Sound a bit confusing for you? No, don't get confused. It's very easy. Let's just have a look on the example. Everybody knows that when the digits are mentioned, we mention their places, and they are, yes, for example, 21 multiply by 4. So you can't read the table of 4 till 21. So you are going to solve it in a stepwise. How? You can see that the 1 is at the ones place and 2 is at the tens place. This is something that we have done in the previous lectures. So what you're going to do, first you will multiply 4 with 1, and then you will multiply 4 with 2. So this is a two-step method. First you will multiply 4 with 1. So 4 ones are 4. And now the same number will be multiplied with the next digit that is at the tens place. You will multiply it and you will get the answer. 4 twos are 8. So our next step, you are going to write down this and see how quickly we solve it. It's so difficult to read the 4 times table till 21. You just learn the tables till 10. So you are going to solve it in a 2 steps. First you will multiply 4 with 1 and then 4 ones are 4, so you will write down 4 and then 4 twos are 8. So 8 will come over here. See how simple it is. Let's do more example. Okay, this is just example that I picked from your book 3. Multiplication without regrouping. So what's the question that they give you? How many puffs are there in 4 boxes altogether? Okay, what they did, they just put 2 to 100 puffs in each boxes. That's really big amount of puffs that they packed in there, that they packed in each box. So how you gonna solve it? You can solve it very easily. First of all, you need to go into the working area and then you will multiply it. Yes, multiply 200s by 2. So you will mention the bigger number on the top, that is 200. And how many boxes are they? 4 boxes. So you will multiply it with 4. Okay, one mistake that my students did, that when they multiply 4 with 0, so they mention 4 over here. That's totally wrong. Whenever we multiply any number with 0, the answer will be 0. So 4 zeros are 0, first number. Now multiply the 4 with the second digit number. 4 zeros are 0, again 0 is here. And now that you are going to multiply 4 with the third digit, that is 4 twos are 8. So it will come over here and your answer is 800. See, you are just going to multiply same number of table one by one with the digits which are written on the top. Let's do more example. Okay, let's solve this example. What's the product of 4, 12 and 4? This is very easy. Products always shows multiplication sign. So how are you gonna solve it? This is explained something. This is very easy and it is explained again step by step, but when you will solve it, you will solve in a one single step. So what they did tell you, multiply once by 4. First you are going to multiply 4 with 2. So your answer is 4 twos are 8. So 8 will come over here. Now the second step, you are going to multiply 4 with 1. 4 ones are 4. So it will come over here. So this is your answer. In this way, we will solve the questions directly. This step-by-step explanation is given just to make you a bit clear, more clear about the concept. That first multiply with the number that is at the ones place and then multiply with the number that is at the tens place. So what will be our answer? 48 is our answer. Yes, when you multiply 12 with 4, the answer is 48. Yes, okay. Now my students, it's time to start working with me. Open your workbook page number 79. And this is seriously a very easy, you can say that method. You can easily, my super smart kids can easily do it. Okay, now let's start with the part A. First of all, you need to look at the number which is written at the lower place, that you are going to read this table. So 4 is here, so we are going to read 4 times table. So let's multiply it with the one by one step. 4 ones are, yes, multiply it. 4 ones are easy. 4 ones are 4. And now you're going to multiply 4 with 2. So 4 twos are 8. See how easy it is? Now let's start doing it by yourself. So first of all, tell me which table we are going to read first. That is 3. Yes. So let's start reading the 3 times table. 3 twos are 6. Let's multiply it with 3. 3 threes are 9. Okay, one thing I want to tell you, very important note. Don't start your multiplication from this place. In the next step of multiplication, your question will totally goes wrong if you start your multiplication from the tens place. So always start your multiplication from the ones place, not from the tens. This is very important. Okay, let's do it quickly. See? Oh, Olive is here. I was thinking that my answer will be appear, but Olive is here to show you that how to do this working, and he is very happy. So what will be our answer? Let's do it. 2 ones are 2, so 2 is mentioned over here. 2 zeros are 0, 0 will come, and 2 threes are 6. Yes, we got the answer. It's so easy. We are going to multiply it one by one with the 3 digits. We are going to read 4 times table. 4 twos are 8. Okay, 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So what will be our answer? Yes, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4 and again 4 twos are 8. See how easy it is, please. Okay, now on the same page we have another question that they give you, that find the product of the following. You are going to find the product. Product always shows the multiplication sign. Show your working clearly. Okay, they tell you that now you are going to do the working, and the working column is also given in your workbook page. So let's start it. Okay, now you are going to write down 101 in your working column. Then you're going to write down 7 at the bottom's place, and don't forget to mention the multiplication sign. So after writing this question in this style, now let's start multiplying it. Should I start from hundreds place? No, we will always start our multiplication from the ones place. Okay, 7 ones are 7, easy. 7 zeros are, let's go one step by step. Step 2, 7 zeros are 0. Step 3, 7 ones are 7. Yes. See how easy it is? You just did it in a seconds. Okay, let's have a look on our 204 and 2. So you are going to multiply it with the 2. So in the same style, you will mention the question in your working column, and let's start multiplying. Okay, let's do it. Don't start it from 2 twos are. No. That will be totally wrong. Always start with ones place. So 2 fours are 8. Let's do it quickly. 2 zeros are 2. No. 2 zeros are 0. 0 always multiply, you will multiply 0 with the 1000 and your answer will be 0. So please be careful. 2 twos are 4. That's our answer. See how easy this multiplication is? You are just going step by step, and you can do it very easy. Okay, now this is a very interesting page in your book. That is workbook page number 80. Yes, take out the next page. And this is about matching. But students, this is not like that. You're going to start matching it according to your idea and you just think that this is the answer. No. In this kind of a matching, you are first going to solve the question and then you will match it. How? They just tell you 211 multiply by 2. So just multiply it with me. 2 with the first number. 2 ones are 2. Our answer is 2. Now 2 ones are 2. Again 2. And 2 twos are 4. What is our answer? Our answer is 422. Where is it? Where is it? Can you tell me where is it? Yes, it's here. They just match it like that. Now let's solve the next question. So 3 with the first ones place number. 3 threes are 9. Now 3 zeros are 0. And 3 ones are 3. Step by step. Very easy. Where is it? Yes, I know that you guys just figure out that where is it. It's easy. Okay, now let's do the next part. Same number, 211 multiply by 3. So 3 ones are 3. Now I hope that you guys understand how to do it. 3 ones are 3. Step by step we are gradually moving forward. And 3 twos are 6. What will be your answer? 633. Where is it? Here. Yes, you got it. Okay, I have a very nice picture for you. Olive is here. He is just going to grab his head, and now it's time that you all should be just start focusing on it, that how I am telling you to do it. Okay, let's do the next part. This is a big numbers. 2 threes are 6, easy. Now the same 2 will be multiplied with 4. So you are going to multiply it with this number. 2 fours are 8 and then 2 twos are 4. So see how easy it is. Where is the answer? I got it. Yes, it's here. And in the same way, when you will multiply these numbers with 4, so your answer is very easy, and that is 848. That's very easy because you are going to multiply 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, and 4 twos are 8. Easy. And the last part is also very easy. When you will multiply it, you will get the answer, that is yes. I hope so that my student enjoy this page. It's look tricky, but it's very easy. You just need to multiply and solve the question and then match it. Okay. Don't feel sleepy and bored. Just shake your head and get fresh. Okay, this is something that I want to tell you all, that don't get bored. I know that nowadays students have a very short span of studying something, and they just get bored and sleepy and hungry very quickly. So this is a time to just shake your head. Don't behave like this. I want you all to be just to shake your head and feel fresh like this. Yes, Anna looks so fresh. Okay, let's move. Very funny and interesting picture. That's why I pasted it over here. Okay, now we are moving to another step of multiplication, that is multiplication with regrouping. This is a topic which is just like the previous one. There is a no difference in it, but there is a small rule that we apply in this, and you are going to follow it. And that rule is very important, so I just want you all to be very careful, like Elsa and Anna, like this. Okay, so I would like you all just carefully, let's just carefully start this multiplication with the regroupings. Yes, that's something I told you, that carefully start. Okay, and focus means I need your focus. Just look at this and understand that how we are going to solve multiplication with the regrouping. So they both topics are same. We can easily you can say that same method is and same strategy is applied in both methods, but there is a one different rule. There is a one different situation that we handle in it. Okay, and a tank has 23 fish. How many fish are there in four such tanks? Okay, in one tank there are 23 fish, four tanks of same quantities of the fish. So let's multiply it. Okay, there are four sets of 23 fish. So how you're gonna solve it? You will solve it just like the previous method in a two steps. First you will multiply 4 with 3. So when we multiply 4 with 3, 4 threes are 12. Oh, our answer is in two digits, 12. 12 has two digits. So what's the rule? What the rule is that you are not supposed to mention two digits at one's place. So what you're going to do, you will mention the tens place digit as you will carry on. You will give it to the next door and 2 will come over here. So this is the method that I'm telling you, that this is the slightly difference between the grouping and non-grouping. The 2 will come over here and 1 will be carry on. And in the next step, when you will multiply 4 with 2, so your answer is 4 twos are 8. And you have one number which is carry on, so you are going to add this number in the answer, that is 4 twos are 8, and 8 plus 1, what will be our answer? 9. Yes, this is the difference between these two grouping and non-grouping methods. So you just remember that one rule, that you are not supposed to mention two digits at the ones place. When the answer is in the two digit, the one number will be carry on and the right side digit will come in the bottom, and then the number which is carry on, that will be added. That will be added. You will easily understand and this concept with the more practice, and this concepts really need a practice. So let's do it with the practice. Okay, find the product. Product is again multiplication of 506 and 2. So now it's time to solve it with your skills. Okay, let's multiply it. 2 6 are 12. Our answer is again in a two digits. So according to the rule, I am not allowed to write two digits at the ones place. So what I'm gonna do, I will write down 2 over here and 1 will be carry on. I will give this number to the next door digit. Now again multiplication method, two zeros are 0. Our answer is 0, and when we add 0 plus 1, the answer is 1. And now you are going to multiply 2 with 5. 2 5s are 10. Oh, our digit is again in the 2 digits place. So in the last digit, which is at the hundreds place, you have no other numbers mentioned over here where you can carry on this number. So in the last place, this whole number will come over here as it is, because there is no other digit over here where we can carry on this one. So this is the last digit of this question. So you will write the whole number over here as it is. And our answer is 1012. So let's do the more practice. Okay, don't make the faces like that. Huh, this is something that I can imagine that my students must be looking at the questions like this, and don't make the face especially like this. This is so funny, and the olive. I want you all to do the practice and then you can easily attempt it. Okay, now it's time to show your magic over here, and let's solve the questions with me. Take out your workbook page number 81 and let's do it. So, are you ready? Yes, let's start multiplying it. 5 fours are 20. Okay, we got the two-digit number answer. So what you're gonna do, you will write down 20. The number which is at the left side, you can say that left side, the number is which is at the tens place, it's your choice. So the number which is at the tens place, that will be carry on. So 2 will be carry on and 0 will come as the answer. Now 5 multiply with 3. 5 threes are 15, and don't forget to add this 2. 15, 16, 17. Our answer is 17. Yes, that's the way to solve the question. See, when you start solving it, it will be very easy for you. Okay, let's attend the next part. It's time to read the 4 times table. Okay, 4 nines are 36. Okay, we got the two-digit answer. So, I will write 6 in the answers place and 3 will be carry on. Tick this number so you will remember that this is a carry on number. So 3 will be carry on. You will write it on the top. Now it's time to read 4 times table till 8. 4 8s are 32, and don't forget to add 3. 42. 4 8s are 32. 33, 34, 35. Our answer is 35. So now there is no other place to carry forward the number. So we will write as it is 35. 35 over here. Okay, let's move on to the next question. That's also very easy. 4 6 are 4 5s are 20. 4 6 are 24. It's a two-digit answer again. So I'm going to tick this number because it's going to be a carry-on number. And 4 will come over here. And now it's time to read 4 ones are 4. And don't forget to add 2. 4 twos are, no, 4 not twos are. 4 ones are 4. And when we add 2, the answer is 6. And now we have no number over here to carry on. This is a no number on the top. So just read the table of 4 till 7. 4 sevens are 28. So no number over here left. So you will write as it is 28. Yes. Okay, this is very easy. I want you all to solve it by yourself. Quickly. Yes, 6 ones are 6. So no number, two digits. So you will write down 6. 6 sevens are, or you can say that 7 6 are 42. We got the two digits number over here. Yes. So 4 will be carry on and 2 will come at the answers place. Yes, I mentioned it. 4 is here. Now 6 twos are 12, and 12 plus 4 make answer 16. Yes, see, this is the method which is very easy. You just need to remember the one rule that you can't write down the two digits at the ones place, and if there is a hundred place, so not even at the tens place. Only on the last digit place you are allowed to write down the whole answer digits. Okay, let's move on. Do this part by yourself. This is a part which is mentioned on the same page 81. Fill in the letters to find out the missing numbers. The answers are given, and what you're gonna do, okay, don't make the faces like this. Oh, this is something that ma'am said do it by yourself. Okay, let me help you out. The answers are given over here in this, so you can see that each house has alphabets mentioned over here. H, O. So what you're gonna do, you will find out the alphabets according to their answers. So what you're gonna do, 1626 is an answer of O home. 170 is the answer of M. And 356 is the answer of E. So what is the name mentioned over here? Home. After school, I take the bus home. So you are going to mention this home over here. Yes. Easy. That's why I said that don't make the face like this. This is something that's very easy. You already solved the question. So, that's all for today. I just solved only 3 pages with all of you, and I didn't mention a lot of work, but I want you all to attend the lecture completely and understand the concept. But today I have a task for all of you. Yes, self-assessment. Now, what you're gonna do, you will open your book 3. This is about, I'm talking about your colorful book, book 3. You will open that book, and on the page number 86, you are going to solve question number 1, and on the page number 89, you will solve the question number 1 only, just for your practice, because I have an idea the kids are not doing the practice as I am telling you. And you can attempt these questions on the weekend. So weekend is ahead. So what you can do, you can solve the same questions, self-assessment questions on the weekend. In my next lecture, I will again cover this multiplication with regrouping, and then you will be more able to solve these questions perfectly. Okay, that's all for today. Till then, my next lecture. Bye bye. Take care, all of you.